How to add your own songs on Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add your own songs on Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Instagram. Let's first find out if we can add our own songs in Instagram story on Instagram itself. So head over to the story section. Take a picture or do whatever you want. You can import it from your gallery, and if you tap on the music section, you will see that there are a lot of songs available, but there is not a single way that you can add your own songs. So the only thing that you can do is use another app such as CapCut. Open up your CapCut, and what you'll need to do is simply import a video or whatever you want on that story, and what you'll need to do is just add a song. So to do that, you can simply open up any project. I'm just using this project for an example. Now here, head over to the audio section, and on your audio section, you can add your audio. You can record it yourself if you want to, or you can import your audio. You can see the add audio option. Tap on the add audio option, and then you will be able to add your song. And doing that, you can export it later on from this top option. And after you've exported it with the music in the video itself, you can post it on your Instagram. And that is how you can add your own songs in your Instagram story. And that is basically all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.